viewers, welcome back to another episode of Dad's Production, Dad's Garage. Hey, we are out in the shop today and we are doing something a little different. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen where we've done a wheel, a balance on a Cadillac CT6. Today we have something a little different. We are testing the limits of my Mayflower Tire Machine. I have never done any tires that were this big before, but what we got here, let me show you. Let me broom the camera around. So we got these bad boys right here, and these are 37x12.50R20. They came off a 2025 Denali. They belong to my brother-in-law. He picked himself up a new truck. Let me swing you back around. And he picked these wheels up for a song, and he's gonna put the wheels on some new tires. We're not gonna do that here today. Unfortunately, my balancer that I have doesn't have a cone big enough to fit the diameter of the hub bore on these wheels, so he's gonna get those done wherever he buys his tires from. But today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if this Mayflower combination that I picked up from Mayflower themselves after seeing it on an Amazon for about 2,500 bucks for the pair, so about $1,200, $1,100 a piece, and that included shipping to my house. So we're gonna go ahead and get these going. We're gonna break the beads. My brother-in-law is here to help me. He's gonna help me with some muscle on these. They're heavy. I mean, don't do them by yourself. Next thing you know, you're gonna pick one of these things up and drop parts of your anatomy in your shorts, and you don't wanna do that. So you wanna make sure you got someone to help you up, unless you work out. That's not me, I don't work out. So we're gonna go ahead and get these wheels up, and we're gonna have you watch us do a mounting of one of these tires and see if this Mayflower Tire Machine is up for the challenge. Okay, so we're gonna roll this wheel up here, and we're gonna go ahead and get the beads broke down on this. This wheel is almost at the limit of size and width of this machine. Sorry about the compressor, but hey, we're in a shop and that's just kind of the luck you get. Now, before you just go around and wanting to take this off, make sure you know if it's mounted finished side up or ugly side down. You wanted to make sure that you get it, either it's the correct mount or reverse mount. So this will be mounted with the studs mounting surface. I call it the pretty side. It'll be up, and that's so you can get the tire below the manufacturer lip and be able to pry the tire off of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this on here. My brother-in-law is gonna help me out with this because he's younger than I am. Now you also want to be careful. This has got tire sensor in here, so you want to make sure wherever you're going to have this mounted, it's not going to get damaged. I like to do it about there. Like I said, this is almost at the limits of what this machine can do. It's a little tight right here. Like butter. Get that underneath there. Okay, lift up.
Am I too high on my side?
And this should be off.
Gonna hit the pedal?
Yeah, hit the pedal. This is where we get stuck on the machine. There we go. It's got to come your way. And bingo, it is off. So, will this made in China tire machine, this Mayflower, will it do a 37, 1250, 20s? It will. Does it do it effortlessly? About 85%. There's about a 15%. You got to wrestle it around the pipe here, but it's doable. If you're looking at getting one of the machines, look around if you have a need for it. I bought this, they didn't give it to me, but just want to say thanks for joining us here. Another episode, Dad's Garage. We got one more to do. We're going to go ahead and get that done. Then we're going to be on with our evening. Thank you and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.